Yeah, hello and welcome to another quick update about Bitcoin. Just a quick one. I tried to rearrange here this ascending trend line in certain ways to figure out, has it really been broken or not? Because sometimes, on one time frame it is broken, on the other one is not, depending on if you consider the wicks or not. Here I just have to come to the conclusion this trend line was indeed broken, as I said in the previous video. What we are currently doing, and that is now very important, what is happening now, yeah? It is now coming up and retesting this trend line and also the previous resistance here where it got rejected, as it is retesting it again as resistance. So we tried to break that resistance, tried to flip for support, failed. As a result, broke out of this ascending trend line to the downside, found support here somewhere, basically at that wave B high at 20,900. Now trying to push higher, but, and this is now important, can we push through this level? If we don't get back into this wedge and not above this 21,300 or above that $21,364 level, plus minus a few dollars, doesn't matter, and hold it substantially, which means we need to retest it from above. Yeah, so basically it would look like we're going higher, we retest it and go up. What wouldn't be bullish is to go above and go down again. So this is now where probably the future here for the next few hours and days will probably be decided, because we are still between two scenarios here. We could really have this as the wave one, this as the wave two of an impulse to the upside, and we now are in the wave three. In this wave three, yeah, we would now definitely need to push above this level. We need to push and get, first of all, into this red resistance zone where we probably will be rejected, but that would be the more bullish scenario. The more short-term bearish scenario would really be if that wave 2 was never finished. Explained that in the previous video, that we are having our A, B, C here, yeah, and the wave C is still unfolding, and in this C wave, which is a 5-wave move, this could already be the 1, the 2, then we have the 3 down, the 4 up, the 5 down. Honestly, which one of these is going to unfold, I can't tell you. This is what the next few days will show, and this is also what now this resistance area is going to show us, I believe, yeah. If this really is a wave 3 already, we need to go fast. We need to start. And if we don't, it will probably get rejected and we will get into this yellow area between 18,800 and 19,600. That would be the area with the highest likelihood where I would expect then this wave 2 to end. Assuming the wave C never ended, the wave B might just have been finished and all of this was just a corrective move up here. Definitely a possibility to take seriously. Now, I had a few questions about what is the bearish wave count. Well, this is of course assuming we've seen the low here and we are already on our way up. The reason I show you that so clearly here and why I'm focusing so much currently on the bullish wave count is because it is something worth keeping an eye on, absolutely, because we have seen 5 waves down. Yeah, we can count 5 waves down. We have hit my target area for that overall correction that I talked about since November, December. The longer level wave count target was achieved. The shorter time frame targets were reached. Yeah, one target was reached here that I gave you, which was 17,500, was perfectly reached. Also, we could count 5 waves as complete. And we see here impulsive waves up. So Bitcoin still a bit weaker than some other coins, unfortunately. And I believe if Bitcoin was a bit stronger, we would see many more coins currently push higher. But it is certainly worth keeping an eye on, definitely, yeah, because there is a real chance we are already reversing and other people would miss it who very much focus on those 10K levels, which are still floating around, which I'm not telling you are never going to happen. They can happen, absolutely. Therefore, this resistance area, and I mentioned it a few times now, as long as we stay below this level, the downside potential is still very much real and we could see lower prices. This risk will limit or will reduce significantly above that resistance area, because above this resistance area, it will just get less likely, also from an Elliott wave point of view, that what we are doing here is still a corrective wave. Okay, so it could theoretically be that you know, we came down here that we are still this wave 4, that this wave 4 was never finished. And that what came down here was maybe has to be reinterpreted, that this was only a wave 3, for example. This here is a wave 4, all of this, yeah, and that we are coming down then once more in a wave 5. That is still possible, but unless we really go below round about $18,000, we can look into rising prices at the moment, because you can see that we are in a short-term uptrend. Yeah, we are making currently higher highs and higher lows, so this is certainly something to keep an eye on. Well, this was supposed to be only really a quick update, so just want to make you aware that we are doing this important retest. It currently looks like we might indeed be breaking it, but it is again too early to confirm that, because we need to wait ideally for the retest. Yeah, and then a move above that 21,720 level here would probably push prices all the way up to 23K. Bear in mind, some other cryptos already did pump quite a bit in the last few days. XRP, Matic, for example. Even Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin, which is nothing new really. But Bitcoin is still missing, lagging a little bit behind. So we want to see Bitcoin moving up in this bullish scenario. And then we can look at how the other altcoins will probably go up together with Bitcoin. So this is now a key level. Yeah, just because it's going through here now doesn't mean anything. The hourly hasn't even, the hourly candle hasn't even closed. And what would be more important would then even be that retest that I just showed you. So it will be difficult to get through here. It's basically a zone between that 21,360 and the $21,700 level. Yeah, with that wave 1 high here. Also bear in mind the daily candle close is coming up very soon, in a few hours, 2.5 hours from now pretty much. And it will also be interesting and important to know where this daily candle will close, above this level or below it. Of course, more bullish would be a close above that level. All right, maybe tomorrow we already know more. That is definitely a level all eyes need to be on. Keep an eye on that level. So yeah, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.